Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I've been playing a bit of Toreba, and that is an online crane game where you can win prizes from Japan. So I've been playing a bit of that and I've won a few prizes. So in today's box opening, I'm going to be going through what I've won. So let's get into it. So to start off with, I firstly won a cute little cinema roll plush, and it is quite a large one, and I won it in 2 shots this time. So this is the first one that I won, and it is really soft, and it's really great quality, and it is a real authentic cinema roll plush. So that's the first little one that I won, and it has a little thing on the front of it where it's holding, and you can see the cute little cinnamon tail. So you can see on the tag how it is an authentic cinema roll plush from Sanrio. And I reckon Cinema Roll is my favourite character from Sanrio as well. I don't know why, it's just so cute. Cute little flying puppy. And I just like the combination of the white and the blue. And the little ears here are filled up with some polyfill, so they hang down a bit more. Alright, on to the next one. So the next one is just a small plush of Cinema Roll, and it's holding, I can't remember the brown Cinema Roll name, but I won this in a couple of shots, I think. I can't really remember what it is. And all of the prizes, especially the plushes, come in these sealed bags. So I like to open them neatly and reuse the bag instead of actually throwing it out. So there's no point wasting bags when you can reuse them. So this has got a little dangly thing on top of the head so you can hang it off something. And this one's kind of like more of a felty sort of material. And it's not like the fluffy material of the bigger Cinema Roll. It's really good quality. It's actually better quality than the bigger one. So it's probably my favorite thing that I've won in this little batch that I've got. So I don't know where I'm going to hang it, but I really want to hang it somewhere. I just need to find a nice little spot for it. And you can see also the swing tag for the authentic Sanrio plush, and it has a cute little Cinema Roll in a bowl of cherries and the instruction things on the inside. So yeah, this is my favourite one, I think, and it's just so cute. Alright, so on to the next one. And I have another Cinema Roll! Surprise! This time it's a winking Cinema Roll, and it's roughly the same size. So I'll go ahead and cut that red tape off so I can reuse the plastic bag. And this is a different collection than the other Cinema Roll. So there's 3 Cinema Roll plushes in that other doll that I showed you, and this also has a set of 3 as well, but this is different material, and I think it's slightly less quality. It's still really great quality, but it's slightly less quality than that first Cinema Roll that I showed you. But you can see it's the first one's just a little bit more well made, and the pattern's done a little bit better as opposed to that one that I'm holding there. So and I think the material itself is just a tad less quality as well, but it is also super soft, and it is really great quality than the things that you can get in claw machines in Australia, because it's kind of really crap what you can get here. And you can see the swing tag is the same. It's Cinema Roll in a bowl of cherries, and it's authentic again with a Sanrio plush. And they can sit together, and I've got a little Cinema Roll collection going on there. So I think I won that in a couple of goes as well. Next one, we're moving on to a little My Melody plush, and this is more of a keyring where you can put on your bag or anything like that. And it also comes in that plastic bag as well. So I'll go ahead and open it up, and I can show you better what the little My Melody plush looks like. Alright, so here we have the little My Melody plush. It's really cute. I really want to hang it on my bag, but I also don't like opening things as well, or taking tags off things, or wrecking them, so it'll probably just end up sitting with my Cinema Roll plushes. But again, it's really great quality, and it has a small little Sanrio tag on it. It doesn't have a huge tag like the Cinema Roll plushes, but again, really good quality stuff, even though it's small. And it has a little keyring thing, so you have an option of putting on different chains or anything. But I don't think I'm going to put it on anything, but it's still cute. So I think I won this in 3 shots this time, so nothing too expensive for a little plush doll. And on to the next one. So we have, this is my favourite thing, a Otama Bath Mat, and I really wanted this, so it took me a couple of goes to get this one, but luckily it was running out of stock, so I think I must have gotten one of the last ones, and it's my favourite thing. I like Otama, he's really great character. So I definitely wanted to get this bath mat, and it is kind of reversible bath mat, but you can really, I like to put it on the yellow side. So I'll just fold it out so you guys can have a look what it looks like. So here's one side of it, and the other side, and then on the other side of the bath mat is a black reverse sort of inverted colour. So it is a small bath mat, it's not huge, but it's just enough for one person, you don't need a huge one. But it's really good quality, and it's an authentic Sanrio one as well, so I'm really happy I got this one. And I actually used it the day that I got it, so I was really excited to get it. So on to the next one, and what's Toreba without winning a Pokemon plush, right? So I won this nice little Alolan Vulpix, and it's really great quality. It took me a couple of shots. It didn't take me long at all, so I was really lucky to get this one. And I got this just as it came out as well, so it was just released in Japan, and I actually won it. So I was really happy that I got this Alolan Vulpix. And I think I actually like the Alolan Vulpix better than the normal Vulpix, because I really like the way the white and the blue look. I think I have the things for white and blue, especially in plushes. So again, it's authentic Pokemon merchandise that you can only win in crane games in Japan. So I'm really glad I won this, and it's really good quality. It's so soft, and the material is really soft as well. It's soft and fluffy. So I think this one came in 2 different plushes. So one is this white Alolan plush with the winking eye on one side, and the other plush is just a regular Vulpix with the winking plush on the winking eye on the other side of the plush. And again, the swing tag here, you can see it's got the 2 Vulpixes on there, but it's stuck together, so I'm not going to open it up and show you. But you can see the 2 different Vulpixes you can get. Okay, let's have a quick look over what I won in this particular batch. So we have that large Cinnamoroll plush that I won first off, and that was in 2 shots, so how lucky is that? Just trying to set it up. Come on, set up. Come on. Okay, so next we had the Alolan Vulpix plush. So we can set it up next to Cinnamoroll. And then we had the Otama Bath Mat, the best one so far. Set that up underneath. And then we had the Cinnamoroll plush that was holding the brown Cinnamoroll. If you know the name of the brown Cinnamoroll, leave it in the comments below so I actually remember what it's called. I did Google it, but I kept forgetting. And then we had the little winking Cinnamoroll plush. So 3 Cinnamoroll things this time. And then a little My Melody plush as well. So that's all I've got in this batch of winnings. I do have another one coming up, so if you like these little videos, give me a heads up and let me know in the comments to see if you enjoy them. And also, if you're interested in watching any of these online crane, me playing it, let me know as well, and I'll try and sort something out of me recording my winnings as well. And let's have a look at that Otama Bath Mat. So I really wanted this, so I'm really glad I won it. So here's what it looks like when it's actually set up in the bathroom. It looks really great, and a total contrast to you know, any bathroom aesthetics that you have. And that is it for me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any requests, you can leave it in the comments down below. You can also check me out on Instagram and Facebook at Creatures of Nat, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!